called it order, I called it war. You drank the land, you sold the weak, then wiped your mouth and called it peace. I stood in silence, roots in stone, listened how the bones still groan. Every promise snapped like thread, every prayer you never meant. You crowned yourselves with stolen breath, built your towers out of debt. Now hear the ground begin to speak, you learn my name, and so will you. I don't ask, I don't forgive, I remember everything you did. This fire isn't rage or hate, it's balance waking up to live. I'm the witch who will burn the world, ash on my tongue, let truth be heard. You fed on fear, you called it law, now watch your kingdom start to fall. I'm the witch who will burn the world, blood red river, there's flags unfurled, no crown, no God, no safe soul, just fire answering control. You laughed at curses, mocked the signs, while carving futures into minds. You taught the children how to kneel, then wondered why the wounds won't heal. You hid behind your holy mask, turned human lives to numbered tasks. But every lie you buried deep still learned how not to sleep. I carry names you tried to erase, I carry rage you can't replace. From forest cut to broken homes, I speak for all you left as bones. This isn't chaos, this is stew. Every flame remembers you. I don't chase